Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Elementor Wordpress, easy method. Open your WordPress dashboard, install and activate Elementor, then create a new page and choose Elementor Canvas to start building. Drag sections, add columns, and place widgets to compose your layout. Use the responsive controls to adjust for mobile and tablet. Save frequently, preview changes, and publish when satisfied with the design and content. Start with a blank canvas and think in blocks. Sections are your primary building units and control background and spacing. Add inner columns to split content and fine-tune widths by dragging the column handle for precise layout. Insert widgets such as heading, image, text editor, and button to populate your design. Use global colors and fonts to maintain consistency across the page and speed up future edits. Leverage templates and blocks when you need a quick, polished start and customize them to fit your brand voice and layout. Create global widgets for recurring elements like CTAs or contact forms, so one change updates every instance across pages. Remember to check responsive settings and tweak padding, typography, and visibility for mobile and tablet to keep the design usable and attractive on every device.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.